Welcome to solverfy.
So in this problem, we are given that we have 25 microgram of tetrahydrocannabinol or THC, which is an active ingredient in marijuana, and this is required to produce intoxication. So this is the mass of THC which is required to produce intoxication, and the molecular formula of THC is given as C21H30O2. In first part of the question, we have to find out how many moles of THC does this 25 microgram represent, and then we have to find out how many molecules of THC does this 25 microgram represent. So what we have to do first is simply, since we have to find out the number of moles of this mass of THC, first you have to find out the molar mass of THC. That means the molar mass is the mass contained in 1 mole. That means from there we can find out how many moles is contained in 25 microgram mass. So from this formula we can find out the molar mass of THC, which will be, since we have carbon has a molar mass of 12.01 and we have 21 carbon here. When multiplied by 21, then we have hydrogen, which has a molar mass of 1.008, and we have 30 hydrogens when multiplied by 30, and then we have 2 oxygen. That means 16 is the molar mass of oxygen, and we have 2 oxygen multiplied by 2, and this will give us a value of 314.45. um, so this is the 314.45 gram per mole, and this is the molar mass of THC. That means 1 mole of THC will contain 314.45 gram. And then so we can write 314.45 gram is contained in 1 mole THC. That means 25 microgram, or 25 times 10 to the power minus 6 gram is contained in um, 25 times 10 to the power minus 6 over 314.45 gram. This is a gram per mole, and it will give us a value of 7.95 times 10 to the power minus 8 mole. So this is the number of moles that 25 microgram of THC represent. And then we have to find out how many molecules is contained in 25 microgram. And since we have calculated the number of moles of 25 microgram THC, then we know that 1 mole of any substance contains 6.02 times 10 to the power 23 molecules. That means from there we can find out how many molecules is contained in this much mole, or 25 microgram of THC. So 1 mole THC contains 6.02 times 10 to the power 23 molecules. Therefore, 7.95 times 10 to the power minus 8 THC contains 6.02 times 10 to the power 23 times this, and this will give us a value of 4.79 times 10 to the power 16 molecules. So this is the number of molecules contained in 25 microgram of THC.